Stages of group development. Forming. This presentation describes the first stage of team development, or forming. Your team or group may be comprised of nursing, pharmacy, medicine, and psychology students. Some of them may already know each other, but most will be meeting for the very first time. During this initial stage of group development, participants are most likely to be quite polite with one another. They may be nervous, anxious about how they will be perceived, or wondering, how is this group going to get along? Most participants will be eager to make a good first impression. They may be awkward and unsure about the group goals or how to proceed. It is this uncertainty that may lead them to turn to you as group facilitator for guidance and reassurance. At this early stage, the group members will be closely observing not only the other group members, but you as well. The way you interact with all team members may influence how they in turn interact with each other. Group members are looking for clues about what is acceptable and what is not acceptable in terms of relating within the group. They will base their judgments on the reactions of you as group facilitator and the reactions of other group members. How do you get to know participants you do not know? Do you spend more time interacting with people from your own profession, or do you make efforts to learn more about others? How do you and other group members respond when someone disrespects the response of another group member or criticizes another profession? Your behavior and role modeling can be instrumental in helping to set a tone that may be helpful as team members move beyond the polite forming stage. In terms of the task, team members are often unsure of what is expected. It will be important for you to have a good understanding of the activity and the instructions so that you can point the team in the right direction and offer clarification when required. Help clarifying any misunderstandings and, where possible, support other group members to present the information themselves and confirm that it is accurate. Check for understanding among the group members, particularly those who may not look as engaged in the process. For example, you may invite group members to contribute by asking, Susan, can you recap for the group your understanding of what needs to be done here? Bob, can you help us review the steps the group has decided to take to accomplish this task? At this stage, though, you should be mindful of the tendency to create dependence by being overly directive or instructive.